We have a light fixture that we're going to be hanging up, show you what it's all about, how to install it, and you decide if this is right for you. So let's open up the box, show you what you get. Be a little careful, it is glassware. We have some paperwork, it goes over the product, and what we're going to be doing is taking carefully off the top and making sure that the light fixture is in one piece. It's got insulation inside, the hardware to install, the bracket on top, covered with cardboard to protect the glass inside. This light fixture does not include light bulbs. Please supply your own to the maximum capacity of the unit. 60-watt light bulb is required. You will need a screwdriver and some basic electrical skills. You're going to take off the outer screws, gently lift the cover up, remove the cardboard gently, turn upside down gently, and when you lift out, as you can see, the glass dome comes off. With your electric shut off, you're going to now match up your sockets, your brackets, and so forth, and lock things down. You're going to take your leads, you're going to tuck everything in as neat as you can, and you're going to match up these two holes while the inside is open. Before the glass goes on, I place on some bolts. We have the glass dome, nice and speckled, beautiful design. We have the stem that you're going to go all the way up as high as you can go. The glass dome's going to go up. You're going to put this little cap on. You're going to put this cap over. You have a beautiful light that's speckled. The design, it's round. It fits nice in a low-level area room, like in a dining room, a living room, a hallway. Anywhere you want to put a light with two 60-watt maximum light bulbs. You have old Edison bulbs to modern bulbs today. If this is a light fixture that you are looking for to decorate your area, I hope it's something that you may be interested in your household needs. I hope you enjoy your light fixture if this is right for you.